Welcome to Ghost Team Academy, where kids learn tech skills that makes them relevant for life. We have courses that range from coding, robotics, artificial intelligence, and lots more. We have scratch programming, science, STEM activities. So you can decide to choose any of the course, and start a beautiful learning path for your child. We have a clear learning path for them. And the beautiful thing about this academy is that you don't need to worry about what your child will be learning, because there will be a dedicated dashboard for you and your child. So you can always get to the class recordings. You can always, if it's to be online, you can always get to class recordings. You can always follow up with what the child is learning, even the summary of what they'll be learning week in and out. And also your child is going to have a portfolio, a STEM portfolio that comprises of different projects they have built, and there will be a live instructor class. There will be a live instructor to guide your child through. So this is just a free trial class. You can always allow your child to explore. I'm going to advise you get either a laptop or a tablet to have a better experience. So this free trial class is Ghosting Digital World, because kids love Minecraft and Roblox. So we created something similar for them. We integrated the lessons, the basic concept of what they will be learning. If you choose any course now, there will be a demo for that particular course, because we integrated a concept of some of the things they'll be learning into this Ghosting Digital World. It is a coding environment that your child can actually explore in a fun and interesting way. If you want to get started, just click on the start free trial and allow your child to experience the Ghosting world. After exploring, so you can always reach out to us to register your child and give you your dashboard link. We'll be looking forward to have you in our academy. Just follow the instructions carefully. If you need our help, kindly contact us from here. Thank you.